To calculate discount on product price, it is very simple. Active this cell, enter equal sign, click cell reference size 7, enter multiplication operator, enter 2, enter division operator, type 100, press enter. You have $1.790 discount on this price. If you have entered 2% in a cell with percentage symbol, you don't need to divide by 100. Delete this cell value. Enter equal sign. Click cell reference size 7. Enter multiplication operator. Click cell reference J4. Press enter. You have same result as was before. Active this cell. Click in formula bar. Make the absolute position of cell reference J4. Press F4. Then press enter. Copy and paste the formula in other cell. Double click. To calculate total price of product, subtract the discount rate value to gross price. Active this cell. Enter equal sign. Click gross price. Enter subtraction operator. Click cell reference I7. Press enter. You have total price of product. Copy and paste the formula in other cell. In this way, you can calculate the discount on price value.